Okay, I'm filming. There's a grape in the microwave. Open it. Ugh.
It stinks.
Oh my gosh, that is horrible. Ugh. Why would we do this?
Oh, he needs food.
Oh my gosh.
Sit, Bruno.
Ugh.
Bruno, sit. Sit.
It smells
Good
horrific.
sit. That was a good sit.
Look at it, it's like wrinkling.
It stinks.
Look, it's steaming.
It smells like...
Look, it's like decorroding.
It smells like burnt flesh.
How do you know what that smells like? Dang. Look at that.
Looks like a decrowed piece of crap.
Now you focus on it. Ew.
Look what you get. Look what Bruno gets. He gets a treat. Bruno gets a treat.
Okay, this has gotta go.
Happy.
What are you gonna do with it?
And that's how you make a raisin. It just
How you make a crappy raisin?
It's stuck.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Homemade raisins.
I'm gonna focus on it. Oh, yeah. It's gross.
It's a decrowed piece of crap.
Down the drain.
And it's on
the floor.